Hello, I'm Dr. Karl Lanocha, Medical Director of the TMS Center of New England, the premier center for transcranial magnetic stimulation in northern New England. I'm a neuropsychiatrist and I specialize in treatment-resistant depression. For 20 years, I was the chief of psychiatry at a large general hospital. For most of my career, the most effective treatment for severe and treatment-resistant depression was electroconvulsive therapy, or ECT, and because I was also in charge of the ECT program, it's something that I have a lot of experience with. In the late 1990s, I began to read about a new treatment called transcranial magnetic stimulation, and by 2006, it was clear that it was just a matter of time before transcranial magnetic stimulation became a routine treatment in clinical psychiatry. I made arrangements to spend some time at a place called the Berenson Allen Center for Non-Invasive Brain Stimulation at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center in Boston, one of the world's leading centers for TMS treatment training and research. In October 2008, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved the use of TMS therapy for treatment-resistant depression, and a short while later, I became one of the first doctors in the country to begin using the newly approved NeuroStar TMS therapy system. As one of the first NeuroStar TMS therapy providers in the country, I have a lot of experience with TMS, and I believe more firmly than ever that depression is always a treatable illness. What I like about my work with TMS is that it gives me so much time with my patients. I'm no longer seeing them for 5 or 10-minute medication checks, but instead I'm sitting with them for half an hour, 45 minutes a day, which really gives me the opportunity to get to know them and understand them and their problems and how depression fits in the context of their entire life. I've had the opportunity to see firsthand the joy that patients and their families feel after finally overcoming years and years of depression. So I'd like to invite you to explore our website, tmsnewengland.com, and learn more about TMS therapy for depression.